In the heart of nature's quiet grace lies a hutching's medical garden, a healing place, where herbs and plants with care are grown, a cure for ills in every stone. Lavender sways in the summer breeze, bringing calm and gentle ease. Its purple flowers, soft and light, help with sleep through the darkest night. Beneath the oak the sage does stand, wisdom growing from the land. Its silver leaves, so strong and bold, healing tales from times of old. Chamomile blooms, in white and gold, with petals soft its story told. A soothing balm for weary souls, mending hearts, making them whole. Yarrow stands tall with its feathery green, a warrior plant with a gentle sheen. Its power to heal wounds, old and new, a gift from earth, pure and true. Mint's fresh scent fills the air, chasing away every care. Its cooling touch, its calming way, brings relief at the end of the day. Beneath the sun or in the shade, in this garden cures are made. Nature's pharmacy, open wide, with secrets and knowledge it does provide. For in each leaf, in every root, a magic hums, a silent lute. The wisdom of the earth we see in the other medical garden's home. Harmony, a space of peace, a healing land, where wellness thrives beneath the